If you are not from Sikkim and you are visiting for the first time, then do visit this beautiful Banjhakri Falls, also known as Energy Park. This waterfall is located in a forested area approximately around 7 kilometers from the Gangtok town, and one can take a local taxi which costs around 60 rupees per person. You can reach the park around 30 minutes. The Banjhakri Falls and Energy Park is a recreation center and tourist attraction of Sikkim. This natural waterfall is of 100 foot and you can view the flowing of stream that forms at the bottom of the waterfall. The best time to visit this waterfall is between the month of October and February. Not much recommend to visit during monsoons due to heavy rainfall. The people can find this place to hang out with the families and friends. Also, there is children play area with benches and small rides to enjoy. There are footbridges and paved pathways around the park which spreads across 2 acres of land area. There are greeneries and relaxing areas all around. The entire park is themed on shaman culture. Shaman is a person regarded as having access to and influence in the world of good and evil spirits. Such people enter a trance state during a ritual and practice divination and healing. The shaman is seen as the intermediary between the spirits and the human world, and they are believed to be able to communicate with the spirits of the deceased. In some shaman practices, the shaman may conduct rituals such as drumming, singing, dancing, or herbal work in order to reach a state of spiritual or religious ecstasy, and in doing so, enter into communion with spirits of the deceased. The park is named after Banjhakri. Ban means forest and Jhakri means shaman or healer. They are supernatural shaman of forest who used to live in caves and near the waterfalls. And his wife is known as Lemleme. Lemleme used to have her feet pointed backwards. The Nepali folklore says that the Banjhakri acquired the evil spirits from the gods, and he used to identify right boys and teach the technique secretly in his forest cave. And after training, the boys themselves become shaman or Jhakris, being able to cure anybody affected by evil spirits. While the Banjhakris always trained and protected human beings, his wife Lemleme would eat up human beings. There is a short spiral stairways leads up to the platform where one can sit and just view the amazing ambience of the forest and waterfall. Visitors need to pay an amount of rupees 50 per person as an entry fee, and you have to pay extra for car parking and camera.